On this video, we are going to be walking you through on how to create a live trading account with Deriv. Right here on your screen at the top, you can see the demo and real. So we are done creating the demo account, and now let's go to creating a live trading account, which is a real account. So now you head on and click on real. Now after you clicking on real, you are obliged to choose a currency account. So for the purpose of this video, and I will always recommend choose the dollar account, the US dollar. So right on, we click it on the US dollar, and you have to input your personal details right away because this is a live account. We are not more on demo, we are creating a live account. So whatever detail you're filling here, please make sure you fill in the right details that are on your identification document, whether it's your ID card, your passport, or your driver's license. Make sure the details you're putting here are very correct. After inputting your correct details right here, you head on and click on next. And now you have to input your DOB, that's your date of birth, and please input the right date of birth that is on your verification document. Let's go ahead and do that. After inputting these details, head on and click on next. I'm from Cameroon, right? So place of birth definitely has to be the country where you were born, and your phone number, make sure your country code is there, and then you input your phone number right here. After inputting your phone number, you head on and click on next. Now the purpose, they're asking you for this detail, personal details. Select your account purpose. For me, I'll always use additional revenue, which is this one, so I'm going to click on that. We go to the next, employment status. I'm going to take self-employed or unemployed. You can choose any other one over here. So I'm clicking on unemployed, and then this is going to be asked, do you have a tax identification number? I don't have for the purpose of this video, so I'm going to click on no. And then over here you have to input all these details. Okay, you have to input your address, your city, your province or region, and then your zip code. After that has been done, you can look at, I've inputted all my details here. I have this, I have this, I have this, and I have this. For the zip code and postal code, many persons don't even know what to input. Just input 4 zeros and that's done. And then you head on to click on next. And if you have time to read all these terms of use here, you can do that, or just go ahead and seek all of them, and then you click on create account. Perfect, you have a USD wallet. So welcome to live trading. Let's make money. And right below here you have two options, either to deposit now or later. So we can take later. And again, you have your live account right in front of you. Right over there, you can easily switch between your demo and your real account by simply just clicking on either of them. So we've now created your real account, so head on to it and log into MetaTrader 5. I hope you're enjoying MetaTrader 5. Please drop your experience in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more trading reviews.